All right, I'm at the 50-yard range today, shooting day at the range in Hi-Lux's vintage rifle challenge target for a chance to win a nice Malcolm scope. Pretty cool deal here, so I want to try to get in some submissions. I'm hoping I do all right. I put my BSA scope back on this Savage Mark I. Figured the Night Force I had on it the other day was a little overkill. So back to all budget rifle, budget scope. Oh, let's see how this thing does. I'm going to shoot the upper left for sighters just to see where I'm at. Pretty cold this morning too, but the good thing is there's minimal wind, maybe 3 miles an hour. It's not too bad. Just cold. Okay, upper left, 5 shots, 50 yards. Let's see how this thing does. All right, not too shabby there for budget rifle, budget scope, and SK Standard plus ammo. I'm hoping I can do the same thing on the target's account there. So let's go for the upper right target. Oh, too bad we couldn't trade that cider target for that target. Okay, let's drop down to the target right below that one. Try to do a little better this time. Okay, that one's not looking too bad. My hands are freezing. Okay, Let's go to the last target there. The sun's starting to shine on the target. So I held a little higher on that target. That one last shot dropped low. That was a ammo issue for sure. Let's measure those groups. Okay. Not the greatest. Looks like about a 0.53, maybe 0.55 inch average. I'll show you guys the rifle. And I'm probably going to shoot this again. There's the rifle. There's my loading block and the ammo I used. The cheap BSA scope I put back on it. Nice bench here. Other side of the rifle. And the 50-yard target down there. Thanks for watching.